Thank you for watching. Kulay. Sayang ng oras. Thank you for the likes. Hi, Golden. Thank you for the likes. How are you? I'm good. I'm fine. How are you? Hello, Golden. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining here. Hi, team. No team here. No team. My God. Guess, hey again. Hey again. Thank you for the likes. What? Ednaldo Sabino, hello. I thought you're not here. Guessing doing what? Shall pay attention. Sorry. Sorry, Myron. Thank you for the likes. I still feel I have a headache. Hey, hi. Why are you crying? I'm not crying. I felt headache. Like, I'm not crying. Met pagibonda. Pagibonda, what it means. Pagibonda. Bad headache. Bad headache. What is your name? My name is Sheryl. Or one thing. My name is Sheryl. Thank you for the likes. You cute. Thank you. I'm a cute. Thanks. I'm a cute. Perry Dennis. Thank you, Perry. And I'm a cute. Joey, hi Joey, your skin is amazing. It's glowing. Oh, thank you. My skin is brown. Here in the Philippines, we love white skin. Wala di si Mamay. Wara. Wara si Mamay. Abot ko na po karin. Pero may ito wara pagkaagad. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. Oh my god. Why, Tim, why you unhide money? Why you unhide? Oh my god, he's not good. You have good skin. Thank you, Golden. Okay, I love you. Why love you? On hold. On hide. On hide. On hide. Yeah, why unhide? Why you unhide? It's not good. Oh my god, my college is inviting me to do work. I felt so lazy. I hide him. Why you unhide? Are you trans woman? Trans? No, I'm not trans. I have a son. Oh my god, I look like a gay. I have a son. Why are you asking me I'm trans? Oh my god. I hide him. You unhide him. Why no lipstick? Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I'm not always use lipstick. Most on just here on home. But when I go outside, I put a little bit of lipstick. But I was hiding who knows. Okay. Hi, Sir Ryan. But I think I need to do the lipstick. I'm not always put the lipstick. Okay now. Thank you. How you doing, Guapa? I doing live and later I'm going to work at pink. I will try to put the lipstick. It's a red. They said it's a red. Red. I don't know. Don't hide. Hi, beautiful eyes. Thank you. It hurt her channel. Okay. Yeah, maybe just time out. To try and get the money. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, guys. Thank you, team. Thank you for supporting me here. Yeah. Don't hide. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, she can feed the mud. Okay, we sure what I earn here. Thank you, my mod. Thank you for $100 hour. I can't afford. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't afford that. He is again unbeaten. I can't afford, you know. Thank you for I don't think that was a very good comment. That's why I hide it. It's okay, guys, because you're trying to protect my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. We can work out a payment. Thank you, Golden. If he comes back, let me handle it. Okay. I didn't think it was a very good up. Yeah. Guys, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you for helping me here, my friends here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Kenny Hilliard, thank you for joining here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching 11 people here. Real Marlin, Real Park. Hey, Real Marlin, Real Park. What's up? Thank you so much for 14 people here. Taga saan ka, Lods? Taga Bicol po. I'm a Bicolana, Filipina, Canana. How do we live without you, baby? How do we live without you? Cause you never got me. Parang si Jillian Wardman, artist. Si Jillian Ward, madibdib. Ako, walang masyadong dibdib. Mark English. Ako na lang. Thank you for the 18 people here. Thank you so much. Ilang taon ka na? Wala man dide. Kuhain. Ano ba kuhain? Kay! Ano ba? Si Papay? Kung may mamagayon si Mamay wala pagkakaaga, mo kung hindi mo ito ay, nagkaroon na lang. Ara, pinangalay mo ka doon. Nagkaroon ni Papay. Ay, bawal magkaon. Ako nagkaon na. Sige po. Taba-taba mo na ka, taba-taba. Thank you for watching. 9 people, 19 people. Tasu Solis. Hi, Tasu Solis. Hello. How do we live without you, baby? Thank you for 17 people here. Thank you so much. 16. Hi. Yeah. Thank you for 20 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Hey, beautiful. How are you? Hi, Dion. 22 in the morning. Thank you for 17 people here. Thank you so much. Here, here, 22 in the morning. 22. It's night here. Ah, it's night there. Hi, lollipop. Not just. Hello. Oh my god. Thank you for 31 people. Thank you so much. Hmm? I told them that already your mother take them to the class. No, no class today because having a typhoon here. I'm from USA. Ah, wow, that's great. Shout out to Dion from USA. Where are you in USA? I like you so much. Thank you. Really? Really? Yeah. Have a typhoon here. Typhoon Verbena. The typhoon name here, Verbena. 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 Something like that. Cheryl put that shit away. Oh, what do you mean? What? What do you mean? I'm South Georgia. Georgia. Wow. October is the worst month to go to the Philippines, right? I don't know. I think it's good month, Oktoberfest. They called it here Oktoberfest because raining. Yeah, I don't know. But sometimes the weather is good. Not always raining. Yeah, not always raining. But sometimes the weather is good. Thank you for the light. Thank you for watching. 18 people here. Thank you for 21 people. Michael Maduro. Hi, Michael Maduro. Where are you at? I like your accent. I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina. Hey, baby. Hi, Michael Matoro. Where are you from? You never found my username, did you? And yeah, what is your username? I just read your name here is Airy. It's 7987. Oi. I'm from Aruba. Aruba. Hi, shout out to you, Michael from Maduro from Aruba. I mean, Facebook. I don't know. Spider Man? The Spider Man. Tada. Caribbean baby. Caribbean. Okay. Shout out to you from Aruba, Caribbean. Michael Maduro. Cool. Cool. You have some pretty eyes. Ah, really? Why many people they said my eyes is beautiful? Maybe it's true, but I think it's not. I thought it's. I have a channel, but one of the moderators must have blocked me there. I'm not allowed to speak there. Why? Maybe you comment not good. That's why they block someone. That comment is like this. Yeah, they block. They block. What is your channel name? Your main channel? Did they cause my attention? Yes, it's true. They caught my attention. Hi, Dion. Thank you for joining here, guys. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, 15 people. The problem is that most of them are jealous and toxic. Huh? My mom? Oh, my mom. Jealous and toxic. My mom. My mom? You have to be careful who you put as a moderator. But I think they are good. I I know they are good. Maybe just mistakes mistaken. Matthias, we are not jealous, but your topics must not what we want. I know your smile is bright. Thank you. Maybe just mistaken that you ask too many personal questions. Uh-oh. Hi, Linda. Hi, Joe Salva. Where are you from? What do you mean? Ciao, Joe Salva. Maravilhosa. Maravilhosa. You want too much personal. Oh, here again. Maybe there needs to be, need to be, Hello, beautiful. Hi, Matthew. Where are you from? Joe, what? Joe Salva. I don't understand what you said. Maybe you can translate it in English. Thank you. Thank you. Gustosa amo. I'm from UK. Lovely. Ah, wow, that's great. Nice to meet you, Matthew, from UK, United Kingdom. Matthew from United Kingdom. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Mahal kita. Wow! Mahal yun eh. Oh my God. Mr. Guy. Hello, Mr. Guy. Oh. Why you mahal you me? Why you mahal you me? Why mahal you me? Aray ko. Aray mo. Beautiful, you're beautiful. Aray mo. I don't understand, Joe. Joe, what do you mean, Joe? Joe. Joe Silva. I mean, forgive me. Why I need to forgive you? Respect. I want a chicken. We want a chicken. Chicken, fried chicken, chicken adobo. Matthew, yes, yes. Matthew, thank you for joining me here. A lot. Mayan buntag. Mayan buntag. Mayan buntag. Thank you for Mike Veg. Mike Veg. My God, Mike Veg. I'll speak English now. Okay, thank you for speaking English. Are you okay, honey? I'm fine. I'm good. That good. What you got planned this day? I got planned this day is I need to work. I'm going to work after the live. I'm going to work after the live. Thank you for 16 people. Mommy. Can I subscribe as friend? Ah, thank you so much. Yes, you can subscribe as friend. Thank you. Nice. Ah, what? Nice to meet you here. New friends here on YouTube. Thank you for subscribe and likes watching watching my videos. Thank you. I just need that love. Oh, thank you for the likes. I'd love you forever, friends. Oh my god. Nana.
Abang tua,
Tay.
pag mo ako ito balikat, balikat ko.
Oh, ako na.
Ha?
Ako na.
Tanong ko ta,
Dire ako na yun na ano, tablitan.
yan buong lang kwarto ko, hila. Yan, ang wampor.
My father said I need to buy his medicine because he feel hurt his leg. So I need to buy his medicine to take before lunch. Yeah. No. Ah? You are a good daughter and lady. Thank you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I live with my parents, so that's why I need to take care of them. They're getting old. They're old now. 82, 81.
Hila po sa ko. Ang pulpo.
Tidak, badi nagkaon kasi na no.
Hila, kapo.
Ay, kaya man.
Hila po, men, no? Ako,
Kinain si mamay.
patang.
Sa Batang, nag-ano.
At yung hika,
Ah.
mistiyo ko sa ng likay. Pagkatapos ito, bilis tulay.
Mm. Alam ko na lang. Kay mapaano man ako. Ama, oh.
Pagkatapos ito, tulay.
Thank you so much. Hello, hi. Chicken Don. Hi, Chicken Don. Like, subscribe, share, YD. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you a lot. When can we chat properly again? When can we chat properly again? What? Chat? Here? Like, okay, happy. Matthew. Have a nice day to all. Thank you, Nawaratnam. Hello, you are my beautiful. Thank you. Very beautiful hairstyle. Ah, thanks a lot. A very good face and nose. Ah, thank you so much. Have a good off. You carry on. See you soon, princess. Okay, thank you, Matthew. Thank you so much. Very nice voice and smile. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I love you, my beautiful. I love you, my beautiful. Shut up. Wara. Oh my god. Oh, where's my... Oh my god. Di maalim. My gosh. Wala ka na sa akin. Wala ang kasama. I feel in love with you. Wow, really? Ha, why? Bakit ko rin nasagtan kitang malapit? At sinabi ko sa'yo na lahat na kumakin ka. Bakit may gumawa na ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko. Napapatawad ba ngunit di sa sandigan? Cheryl, pay attention. Ah, okay, sorry. You're gorgeous. Thank you. Ngunit paano ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabaling? Bakit ko na nasaktan kitang lapis? I wish I had drunk it at this moment night. Paano nga ba ang pag-ibig? I need to go now. I need to buy medicine for my father's. And he need to take it. Wait. So bye for now. Bye bye. Ang pangarap ko'y para sa'yo. I'm going to sleep rest now. Wish you good day. So thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 16 people. Thank you so nag-heart. Thank you for giving the hearts. Thank you so much. Catch you later, beautiful. Bye. Thank you. Hope you join my next live. I'm always here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Bakit ko na nasaktan kitang mabis? Thank you so much for joining here. I need to go now. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you all. Bye-bye.